Okay guys, today we're going to play Don't Press the Button normal one. I haven't played this. I'm gonna check it out. Woo, let's go. Yeah. I'm flying, guys. I'm flying. Okay, now it's this one. Boom. I'm back with this, since the other one kind of got like 50 views, man. Like in that one, though. Where am I going? Where do I go? Do I just aim down? Dun, 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 dun. I'm flying to outer space. Yeah, I am flying to outer space.
I like singing. I like.
Where am I going? Okay, let's press the button. Ah! Man, who even pressed it? Some little goblin did. Oh no. Is something gonna happen? Okay, don't fall in. Okay, I won't fall in. This is the safe one. Oh God! Oh crap, my butt cheek. Oh man, I died. What if I just no clip in? Who survived? Boom. I pressed them. With your table. 3, 2, 1, go. Begin! What the? Get knocked, baby. Yeah. What you gonna do? Dun, 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 dun. What the hell? I'm gonna go press it. Yeah, I pressed it. This one again. This one's not that bad. I'm gonna be first place. Is it if you touch it or go through it? Oh, it's if you touch it. So I get this, and then go on, and dun dun dun. Okay, I gotta go up here, flying. I wanna go up to the clouds. Yo, maybe I can go up to the box. Woo! Oh my God. Man, I wanted to go in that box. There we go, I pressed it. Guess I'll Ring. Get the ring. Uh-oh. Oh God, I forgot this ring. Now I got. My mouse tells me where to go. Dun dun dun. Okay, my mouse is leading right here. There we go. I'm gonna go back down. Then. What would even happen? Okay, I realized that's not foul. I'm first, baby. Bong.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my
Yay.
life. It's a banana.
Banana. Banana. What was the point of that? Dun 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 dun. Whoever pushes the table to me. Dun dun dun. I reverse carded that. Reverse card. Table, table. We're gonna win. Our side's gonna win. Oh my god. Where are all the thingies going? Oh, I'm gonna collect some diamonds. Diamonds. Oh, I found it. That was like the easiest thing of my life. Yeah, let me. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. They even pass. Do 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 do. No, I'm still going. Now I got 35 points. Alright, after this one we're gonna stop. I mean, you always see it though. Shing! 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 That's our key, man. Shing! 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 Shing, 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 shing. If I shake my screen and then I slice, then I'll get more damage. Wee, 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 I gotta get them, okay? We're protecting the statue. No, we're gonna die. No, stop it. Stop it. I'll use my full power. Okay. So, bye-bye, guys.